This second video is designed to show you how you can use Safyr to compare groups of tables, in this instance from SAP ECC with SAP S4HANA. And we're going to use the customer master grouping that we used, that we created in the first video from ECC, and we're going to do something similar now with S4HANA. So just to show you that the interface obviously is the same. S4HANA is a larger application. There's 115,000 tables in my S4HANA system compared with just over 99,000 tables in ECC. I can find my KNA1 general data in Customer Master just by doing a search on the text like that, and I can find KNA1 comes up like that, and again we can see the structure of the table, and I can go into the table relationships form. I could select only with data. This is all the sort of similar stuff I did last time, and then I can create a subject area. And I've already done this, so I'm not going to go through with everything, but the idea here is that you can create exactly the same type of subject area, but for the interests of brevity, this is what I've already done. So what I want to be able to do is show you that I've got an S4 data customer master subject area. So here it is. This is one I created earlier, and these are the tables in that. And what I want to do is to export this out as a comparison file, and I've actually got one already called Customer Master S4HANA, so I can do that, and I can overwrite that file and start the export. And so that's now closed, that's now finished, and now all I need to do is to go into this environment to compare what I've got. So I've got my ECC Customer Master System. To select this, I just go to wherever they are, and I keep them on the desktop. So I've got my Customer Master S4HANA and my ECC system, so I've done all those, selected those, and now I can look at, decide what areas I want to compare. Do I want to compare domains, entities, so that's tables, fields, etc., views, attributes, and really go down to quite a granular level of comparison to identify where there might be some differences. So I've just got that to run. As you saw, it was very quick. It is possible to do this with two complete SAP systems quite easily if you wanted to, but you would get a lot of data probably. So we've got here on Model A is the ECC system, Model B is the S4 system. I can compare domains, so I can see what exists. So you can see that these ones here, these domains are missing in Model B, and these are missing in Model A. But it's probably more interesting to look at the entities. So you can see here we've got tables. So we've got some tables that are missing, that exist in ECC, but do not exist in S4. I have no idea why. Similarly here and here. We've got some tables that are in S4HANA but not in ECC. I can look down through these, and if I look at KNA1 for example, I can look at the attributes. I can already see that KNA1 on Model B has a whole bunch of attributes that don't exist in Model A. Again, I don't know why that might be. I can also look at other areas to see what's missing and what's not. This will even show you, for example, in this L-zone info here, the label, there's a difference in the capitalization of the label. So Safyr will take you to a very granular level if that's important to you. So this is a very quick way of being able to see how subject areas differ between data models of the same type of system in different instances, and you can save those results out to a file. Perhaps if you wanted to use them in something like a spreadsheet, you can save them to a CSV file and then use those elsewhere.